If you want to extend an AnyDesk session and keep your remote connection from ending too soon, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, safe way. Whether you're using AnyDesk for personal support, remote work, or helping family and friends, these settings can make a big difference in how stable your session feels. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. Once it launches, look for the menu icon in the top area of the app and click it. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens the main configuration area where you can adjust how AnyDesk behaves during remote sessions. Next, in the Settings window, click on Access. If the settings are locked, click Unlock first so you can make changes. Once you're inside the Access section, scroll down carefully and look for an option that says something like Automatically Close Incoming Sessions. If that option is enabled, uncheck it. This is an important step because it can help prevent the session from closing automatically when the connection is idle or when the permission rule is triggering a disconnect. Now stay in the Access settings and find the section for Unattended access. This feature is very useful if you want to reconnect without needing someone on the other side to manually approve the connection every single time. Click Set Password and create a strong password that you can remember but others cannot guess. Make sure it's secure, then confirm the password by entering it again. After that, go to the Permission Profile drop-down menu. Select Full Access so the remote computer has the right permissions for smoother control, then click Apply to save everything. At this point, your unattended access setup should be ready. Now disconnect and reconnect to the remote device to test it. When prompted, enter the unattended access password you just created. If everything is working correctly, the session should stay active much more reliably, and you should have a much smoother remote access experience. If your session still ends unexpectedly, there are a couple of extra things to check. First, verify whether you're using the free version of AnyDesk. The free version is intended for personal use only, and in some cases, professional or commercial use may require a paid license. If you're using AnyDesk for business, support, or repeated work-related remote access, upgrading your plan may be necessary to avoid interruptions. So if you've been wondering how to extend an AnyDesk session, the key is to adjust the access settings, disable automatic closing where appropriate, enable unattended access, set a strong password, and test the connection properly. That's the full process. If this video saved you time, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.